In a land far, far away, where colors danced and laughter echoed, there existed a magical garden filled with wonders. Meet the delightful residents of the Enchanted Garden: Bluma, the sunflower; Oakley, the wise oak tree; and Flutter, the mischievous butterfly. One day, a mysterious box arrived in the garden, holding magical seeds that promised to grow something extraordinary. Curiosity sparked, Bluma, Oakley, and Flutter decided to plant the seeds, not realizing that they were planting the seeds of friendship. As days passed, the once small seed sprouted into a magnificent garden, symbolizing the growth of something beautiful, a garden of friendship. Just like the different flowers in the garden, each with its own colors and shapes, Bluma, Oakley, and Flutter learned to nurture and celebrate their differences. The once separate parts of the garden now stood united, a testament to the strength and beauty that blossoms when friendship is cultivated. And so, in the heart of the Enchanted Garden, Bluma, Oakley, and Flutter discovered that the true magic lies in the bonds of friendship, a treasure that continues to grow and flourish. As the moon cast its gentle glow, our friends in the Enchanted Garden reminded us that friendship, like a garden, requires care, patience, and a sprinkle of magic.